Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common yet frustrating issue that many of you have faced, the OBS installation error that says OBS files are being used by the following application. Don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you fix this in no time. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what this error means. It occurs when OBS Studio detects that some of its necessary files are being used by another application, preventing the installation or update process from proceeding. Now, on to the solution. Step 1, restart your computer. This might sound basic, but it often solves the issue by closing any application that might be using OBS files. Now, right click on the Start button and click on Task Manager. Now, tap on Microsoft Edge. Now, tap on End Task. Now, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall OBS if all else fails. Uninstalling and reinstalling OBS can be a last resort. And that's how you fix the OBS installation error.